We're here in the Philippines today, going on a nice hike.
Vietnam.
I'm stuck. Oh, bugger. Do you see how long that is? Yeah, look.
Pass me the other good one right here. Holy shit, you fucking is tall.
Right now this Filipino's getting wood for his house. Good.
Oh shit.
Bamboo boys.
No, I don't know.
Oh, look at this guy. Happens when you don't wear your long pants.
Yeah.
In the hole. Brah, that one is bad. Oh. This happens when you want to show off your thighs in the forest.
Holy fuck, that one's fucking major, bro. Wow, going so far. Oh.
Check it, truck.
That was beautiful.
And they want me to get a new truck. Big bolts. Can't even fit my thumb around.
Oh, these ones are cut super slanted. Bruh.
Bro,
This one's fucking.
at least you get some morals still.
Mean B-roll, huh?
Mean B-roll.
Look at that. That one has a vine going like around it. Spiral.
Oh,
It's kind of cute.
look like a telephone pole.
I think I just cut myself again. Keep cutting. I gave myself tetanus.
It's not in focus. Oh. Tell me when.
Oh, I'm almost there. Go faster! Go faster! Go faster!
2024 official tugboat tryouts right here. First year, first time.
Calm down, calm down.
3, 5, 7, 2. Oh! Two at one time. Oh! Bam! Get 11 now. Need 9 more. Shh, baby girl, don't say nothing. Shh. If this camera could talk, it can.
Try.
Hey. Lay it to rest. Lay it to rest, kid.
Oh, I just turned around and see the big UHH, bro.
Go. Oh, NASCAR exit right here. Too fat. Oh, big boy can go through.
They're filming out of the car. He said aloha.
Yeah,
Why is this outside the top?
because I propped the camera up to film you. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah.
How old is the wood?
Well, right now, 12:18. Got most of the morning wood before noon. Just tugged out morning wood all day.
Yeah.
Harvest some morning wood, and then we trimmed it, made it look nice, made the base look nice. Yeah, and then we put our morning wood on the racks, and now they're drying. So pretty good day. Pretty good day.
Pretty good day.
No more sows. No sows.